Welcome back to A Taste of K. In today's video, I'll be showing you how to make the creamiest grits using a few ingredients. The ingredients I'll be using is 3 cups of water, salt and pepper to taste, 1 cup of grits, 1 cup of milk, as well as 2 tablespoons of unsalted butter. Now this part of the video can be very debatable. To rinse your grits or not to rinse your grits. Over here, we rinse our grits. I'm going to rinse it about 3 times, just like you would rinse rice. I have the water boiling. What I'm doing now is seasoning the water. I'm adding some salt as well as black pepper. This might be one of the few occasions where only salt and pepper is considered seasoned. I add the grits to the seasoned water. The instructions on the packaging did say this takes about 5 minutes to cook, but how I'm cooking this is going to take a little longer. What I'm doing now is I have the stove on a medium high and I'm constantly stirring the grits. I'll soon lower it to a medium and slightly cover the pot. Once covered, I'll allow this to cook on medium heat for about 10 minutes. After 10 minutes, I remove the lid and I continue to stir. I add the 1 cup of milk and I'll continue to stir. Once it comes up to a boil, I'll lower the temperature now to a medium low. I'll cover once again and allow it to cook for about 10 minutes. I'll come back every 5 minutes to stir. After 10 minutes, I'll remove the lid. I'm going to add 2 tablespoons of unsalted butter. I'll also give it a taste test to see if I need to add any more seasoning, salt as well as black pepper. I'll season it to my liking. I'll cover with the lid completely this time. I still have it on medium low and I'll allow it to cook for about 10 more minutes. At this point, the grits is nice and creamy, but I do want it to get a little thicker, so I'll allow it to cook for about 5 more minutes. Now, this is how I make the easiest, creamiest grits using a few ingredients. I want to say thank you for stopping by A Taste of K. If you've made it this far into the video and you have not subscribed, go ahead and do that now. Don't forget to turn on the post notifications as well. I'll see you in the next video.